Shanghai and Ningbo with convenient transportation access, and is a supplier and trader focused on pipe duct machine, roll forming machine, PU foam machine, centrifuge machine, metal processing machine such as wheel equipment, chain machine, thread rolling machine, polishing machine, and so on. All of our products comply with CE standards and are greatly appreciated in a variety of different markets throughout the world, like Britain, Russia, USA, Mexico, and Brazil, and also servicing local market directly. In our associated factory, we choose the material from qualified suppliers with competitive price to save our material cost, and we have all the necessary machine tools, include CNC lathe, milling machine, planing machine, which allows us to do machining and assembling work in our own plant and test these machines before shipment. Mainly with these measures, we can ensure your satisfaction with our machine quality and performance, as well as the exact delivery time. Professional and creditable customer first. With these work faith, we successfully win the expanded market and favorable feedback from our customers. If you are interested in any of our products or would like to discuss a custom order, please feel free to contact us. We are looking forward to forming successful business with new clients around the world in the future.